Hello everyone, this is Satya Karki. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn to design Power BI reports using Power BI Desktop. Today we will cover what is Power BI, how to connect with data, get data, load data and design report using Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a tool to design Power BI report which is free. I will provide download link in the description section. If you don't have Power BI Desktop in your machine, you can download and install it. Power BI is a data analytics platform which allows us to connect to data sources, visualize data and helps to gain business intelligence. It has capability to connect with on-premises data sources as well as Microsoft and third-party cloud services. In Power BI, we can manipulate simple to complex data and graphically visualize data in the form of charts, dashboard, maps and many more forms. So let's go to Power BI Desktop and design report. So this is Power BI Desktop. First step is to get the data. Here is the options to get the data. We can connect to the various data sources from the Power BI Desktop to design the reports. But in this video, I will be using the Excel file as a data source in my report. So I am choosing the Excel option. So here I have to provide the file location. So it takes few minutes to load. Now it's connecting and loading my file. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now the file is loaded. If the file has a multiple sheet, here we can see the number of the sheets available in the Excel file. In my file there is only one sheet, so we can see the only one sheet. If I select the data, I can see here. We can hover and see here. Okay, this is the data. So now we have to load it. So it's loading the data and creating the model. Now we can see here is a data set. I want to rename this. It's coming as a sheet 1, so I want to make it the different name. Employee demo dataset. I have kept the name of this dataset as a employee demo. So in this video, we will learn to design the reports in the tabular form. First step, I want to show how to design this page layout. In this page layout, we can go from here and we can format all the page. This is a visualization area. This is step bar. If we want to add any visualizations, here are available. We can add a more visualization from this option also. If we want to add any text boxes or anything, here are other options available. From the insert also, we can use the other available options. So first I will change the background of this page. Making transparency to the 20. So now I want to add a text box. This is employee detailed report. We can format the text box. We can choose the different font family also. This is okay for me, so I have selected this font design. Now we can put the background of this text also. Background transparency 20. To add a table, here is the table option. I am going to add a table. So the table is inserted here. So now I want to show the employee name, nationality, permanent address, telephone, number of dependents, France, birth date of the employee. So now all the selected columns are added inside the table. If we want the more, we can just select into this text box, or the another option is we can just drag and drop into this value section. Okay, here you can see that this birth date is in the date format, so it's showing into the hierarchy of the year, quarter, month, day. So I want to show into the single hierarchy. So I want to remove this date hierarchy. Here is the options. I am selecting the birth date. Now it's showing into the only one column and in this way. Another option is we can format this table form. Here is a format option. From here we can change and format the whole table design. Style default, or we can choose bold header. So it's showing the bold header. Alternate rows, column header font we can change. This is not looking good, so I am turning it back to the white. Background color of this we can change. Yeah, now it's looking good. We can increase the text size. So in this way we can format the table also. If you want to add more columns in the value sections, we can bring, for example, the email address. Email we can drag and drop here, or we can just select the check boxes. We can put the citizenship number. Now we can drag and design the table height width. We can resize the column also. Another thing, we can show the total number. To earn the total number in the table, here is the option. If you don't want to show the totals, you can hide it. You can turn it off, then the total column will be hidden. So if we want to show, we can show like this. Here another thing is birth date is coming like the Tuesday, March, like this. So we can format this. To format, here is the option model. From the model, we can select, this is the employee demo datasheet. From here, this birth date column we want to format. The format of the this date is showing like day, and then the month, day, and the year. So this format we can change. I want to show like the month, day, and the year only. So if we change, we can see here the date is coming like the month, day and the year. This format, the date is coming. So the other things also, we can format our data from the modeling, and from data also we can format and manipulate the data. In this way we have designed the employee detail report in tabular form. So now I am saving this file. So in this way we have designed the reports in the tabular form. In this video we have covered what is Power BI, how to connect with the data, get the data, load data and design the report using Power BI desktop. Overall, we have learned to design Power BI report using Excel data with the help of Power BI desktop. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, concerns regarding Power BI, please feel free to write in the comment section.